My name is Cheryl. I'm a working mother. When I got this HDB unit, in my mind, I want to have a place that is very cozy and I want things to be organized. So when I met Emily, she says that what I like is actually a Muji Scandinavian theme. There's a few areas that I like the most. One of it is the tatami area. So that area is a flexible area. The automated table can use for when I have a tea with my friends. Other than that, it's also a place for me to practice my yoga. So for kitchen, I always want to have an island because I love to bake. I bake cookies, I bake cake, but I know that the space that I have is very difficult for me to have an island. I was very surprised and very happy that this movable island that designed by Emily, I really love it because it don't eat up my place, but when I need the island, it can actually take it out. My dream house, I always want to have a study room. I really love this area a lot because we are working from home. A proper study area is very important for me. But I don't want my study room to be confined as a fixed area. So this is the flexible glass door that you see is actually proposed by Emily. I always want to have a walk-in wardrobe. So I don't want to be going in the room that you straight away see everything. So I prefer a walk-in wardrobe separated from the bed. Okay, then another thing is I emphasize that at the very beginning that I want my homes to be very tidy, very neat, uncluttered. All my carpentry design on my tatami storage, bed frame storage really suit my needs. I have a lot of toys at the tatami area that can keep all my kids' toys. At the TV area, I can keep a lot of things that you don't want to be seen outside. At the end, I choose Emily is because of her passion in design, and she gave me a feeling of a person that is very responsible. A lot of small little things that she pointed out to me that I wouldn't even think of it. For example, the kitchen area, because I have a pair of twins, she proposed a dry pantry at the entrance area so that my kids do not need to go into the kitchen, so they have less exposure to the fire and all. Okay, then finally I would say that I'm very thankful to Emily that she gave me a hassle-free renovation process to achieve my dream home.